Alright, let's talk budget dash cameras. I've been trying out a new dash cam, the Botslab HK30 from the past 1 week. So this comes under the budget segment, under 5000 rupees, or should I say under 4000 rupees, along the similar lines of 70mm M310. So what's so special about this dash cam other than the fact that it comes under the budget segment is that it is super small sized and it is super lightweight. This camera offers you a 1296p resolution along with giving you 140-degree field of view. It also supports parking monitoring via a separate hardwire kit, and of course when you install this in your car on the windshield, because of its super compact form factor, it won't interfere with your line of sight and you will have a clear view of the things that are going on in front of the car. So let's move on and take a quick look at the unboxing of the HK30 and follow it up by showing you the video quality and the number plate readability of this dash camera. And of course, after you watch this video, if you are convinced this is the right dash camera for you, the purchase link will be provided in the description below. Just head down, click on the link, go ahead and buy it right away. I'll also provide links for the compatible hardware kit and the memory card as well. That being said, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button as well. Also do consider joining as a member of Travel Tech and stand a chance to win a dash cam every month in 2025. You're watching Travel Tech. Let's get started. So here's the Botslab HK30 single channel front only dash camera, and it says it shoots 1296p full HD resolution. It supports parking monitoring and also supports loop recording. Nothing special mentioned on anywhere else outside the box. Let's quickly open it up. So as soon as you do open up the box, you get the user manual for the HK30 along with the electrostatic stickers, 2 of them inside the user guide. Then you have the main camera, the HK30, and first impressions, it's very light. I almost don't feel it in my hand at all. It's quite light, it's made out of plastic. On the front you get the Botslab logo, a speaker module, and the slightly protruding lens module. On top you get the windshield mount, and as you can see the windshield mount is kind of rotatable, but it doesn't rotate entirely 90 degrees. So not advised for cars with flat windshields such as Thar or Jeep. On one side you get power on off button, and on the other side you get the micro USB port for power. At the back you get a LED indicator along with the Botslab logo. At the bottom you have the mic slot, the reset slot, and the micro SD memory card slot. I actually like that they've given the memory card slot at the bottom, because once the camera is mounted, it becomes easier to take out the memory card because it will be directly visible to you, wherein otherwise if it was placed on top, it would be very difficult to identify the exact place where the memory card is lodged in. The swivel mechanism of the windshield mount is smooth, doesn't have any stutters, so it will be very interesting to see how this mini camera takes effect. Let's quickly jump into the box and see what's more inside it. You get the standard power cable with the USB-A connector at one end and a micro USB connector at the other end. Following that you get a car charger with Botslab logo. It's got this gloss black finish here and a carbon fiber finish at the border, but it gets only a single USB port with a LED indicator. Following that you get a neatly designed wiring installation tool. So that's it. These are things inside the box: the user manual with 2 electrostatic stickers, the main power cable, the HK30 front only 1296p camera. You get the wiring tool and a single USB port car charger. Alright, so let's show you the number plate readability of the HK30. So you can see that the Nissan Micra is right at front of my car, very close distance, less than 10 feet. And if we zoom in to take a look, a decent read of the number plate. All letters and numbers are pretty much clearly visible. But you got to note that the 1296p cameras and 1080p cameras work best only at a very close range such as this, and farther the distance you go, the number plate readability is going to come down. Moving on to the overall video quality. So this camera, the HK30, shoots 2304 into 1296p resolution at 25 frames per second. It's got close to 12,000 kbps of bitrate and 85 to 86 MB per minute of file size. Considering the glare reduction, it's quite decent, I guess. Not a very high level of glare from oncoming headlights. There are much worse cameras than this. But in terms of number plate readability, of course, since this doesn't get a Starvis 2, you won't get much number plate read at night under the glare of headlights. But overall video quality is quite good, sufficient, and usable for the price you're paying for the camera. The saturation and contrast levels do seem good. The video kind of seems like it has been color graded, maybe due to the image processing algorithm, but the overall video quality for the price of 3999 is more than enough for a nighttime video quality. Moving on to the daytime sample, you can clearly make out that it has a hint of warmness to the video, and that's a good thing because the video tends to pop out a bit more. The saturation looks a bit punchy compared to most other budget cameras out there. Contrast levels surprisingly look really good. There's a balanced level of exposure, not very high or very low, but the thing to consider is that the field of view of this camera is quite good, close to about 140 to 150 degrees, and that's kind of enough to cover most of the lanes in front of the car and gives you a wide range of video recording right in front of the car. Of course, as showed previously, in daytime the number plate readability will be good up to 10 to 15 feet maximum. More than that you probably may not get a good read. So for evidence-based purposes and to record any activities that are happening in front of the car, a budget camera simply is the best, and the Botslab HK30 is doing its job right up to its optimal level. So a compact and a lightweight camera providing you practical features such as LED light on the back, memory card slot easily accessible at the bottom, and super easy installation with its pre-attached windshield mount. Everything coming in at a price of 3999 rupees. So if you are interested in purchasing this Dashcam, go ahead, click down on the description. I'll give you the link right there, along with the compatible hardware kit and the memory card for this Dashcam. And if you do have any queries or doubts regarding this camera, you can always write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And of course, if you like this video and if you like the way I've presented it, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button, and also don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.